Today we are going to start Science of Class 4 chapter name is Air. In this chapter we are going to discuss about 5 topics. First one is air and its uses, composition of air, air pollution, properties of air, breathing and burning. Okay students, as you all know that air is important for all living beings. Okay, we cannot see air, we cannot smell it, we cannot taste it, but we can feel. Whenever air move from your side, we can feel it. Okay, so students, air is all around us. Okay, air is all around us. Okay, air and its uses. We know that students, matter exists in 3 states. You have already learned in class 3rd. Okay, first is solid, second is liquid, and third is gas. And air is an example of gaseous matters. Okay, so we cannot see, touch and taste air, but we can feel it. Okay, the blanket of air that surrounds the earth is our atmosphere. Okay, air is a mixture of carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen and other gases. Now here are some various ways. Okay, we use air in various ways. Okay, we use air in many various ways. First one is all living things need air to breathe. Okay, for example, animals, human beings, birds, plants, we all need air to breathe. It is necessary for burning. Air is necessary for burning. Third one is it helps in drying things. Air helps in drying things. Okay, like clothes, mats. It helps the birds to fly. Okay, with the help of air, birds can fly easily. It helps to move sailboat on water and rotate blade of windmills. Last, air is used in inflating the tires of vehicles, and the meaning of inflating is increase the tire size with the help of air. Okay, next topic is properties of air. Under properties of air, first point is air occupies space. So students, air occupies space. Thus it can be used to fill into things. We can fill air in such things. Okay, such things are like balloons, tires, footballs and mattresses. Okay, second point is air moves. Okay, air also moves. For example, when we spray deodorant on our body, it spread out and we can smell it easily. Okay, thus air move, and the moving air is called wind. Strong wind cause storm. Third point is air has weight. So students, air also has weight. For example, take up 2 football in your hand. Okay, in one hand without air and in other hand with air. Okay, you will feel that ball filled with air is heavier, okay, than the other. It shows that air has weight. Next point is air is colorless. Okay, air has no color. Okay students, so air is a colorless gas. Air expand. Okay, air expand on heating. So hot air molecules need more space. They become less dense and lighter in weight than cold air. Next part is compositions of air. So students, as you all know that air is a mixture of gases, and there are 2 main constituents of air are nitrogen and oxygen. In addition to this, air also contains small quantities of carbon dioxide, 0.03%. Okay, 0.03%. Water vapor and other gases. Okay, see the properties of gases in the given picture. Our atmosphere has several layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Several layers. Okay, these layers are dense near the Earth's surface. First one is exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere and troposphere. Okay. Next point is breathing and burning. Next part is breathing and burning. Okay, air play a major role in breathing as well as in burning. Okay, so first one is process of breathing. So as you all know students, when we inhale, Okay, when we inhale, the oxygen rich air reaches our lungs. Okay, and how it reaches through nostrils. From the lungs, blood take the oxygens rich air carries to the all parts of the body. This oxygen is used to burn the food components. Okay, this release the energy and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is carried back to the lungs by the blood. This carbon dioxide is released from the body when we exhale. Okay, when we exhale, inhale and exhale. Okay, thus exhaled air contains more carbon dioxide. Okay, next one is process of burning. So oxygen present in the air is required for anything to burn. Okay, when we invert the glasses, over a burning candle, the flame goes out after a while, as you can see here. Okay, it is because the covering the candle cut off the supply of air. Okay, the flame goes out after a while because it is covering the candle cut off the supply of air. The air is necessary for the process of burning. Okay, next one is air pollution. Okay, so as you all know the students, how air get polluted, unwanted and harmful substance make the air polluted. Okay, and that air we breathe and it is very harmful for us. Mixings of pollutants in air called air pollution. Some causes of air pollution are as given below. First point, dust and smoke from vehicles and construction site causes air pollution. Smoke from factories and industries also causes air pollution. Smoke and ash from forest fire and volcanic eruptions. Burning of wood, coal and plastics. Bursting of crackers. Open garbage dumping. And germs due to spitting, coughing and sneezing. Okay, whenever we spit, cough and sneeze, okay, on the road as well as open garbage dumping, it causes air pollutions. And how we will prevent from air pollution? We are dependent on the air around us to breathe and stay alive. Okay, we all are dependent. If we breathe polluted air, okay, we may suffer from allergies, headache and other various diseases. Okay, so how we will prevent? We will look here. First point is use smokeless chulhas, solar cookers, LPG and biogas instead of fossil fuels for cooking. Second, use CNG instead of diesel and petrol in vehicles. Use unleaded petrol in vehicles. And plants more tree as possible, okay, because plants take carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and release oxygen in the air. Thus plant purify the air. Save electricity by turning off the light, computer and other electrical appliances when not in use. Next one, use public transport as much as possible. Walk or use bicycle for short distance. Do not burn garbage. Switch off the vehicle's engine at red light to save fuel. Okay students, so our chapter is completed. So now till then keep learning. Thank you.